Good morning, Assessor. My name is Jonas Carcelia. I will demonstrate how to assist the patient in preparing their care. Definition: involve washing the external genitalia. Then the principle is to clean the perineum from the cleanliness to dirtiest. And the purpose is the patient who are unable to do self-care and patient with indwelling catheters. First, I wash my hand, sanitize, and wear my gloves, and prepare the materials, such as jug water, privacy towel, washcloth, feminine wash, cotton balls, long corset, one kidney basin, tray, and big pan. Knock knock. Good morning, Mrs. Smith. My name is Julius Carcel, caregiver. I will assist you for your perineal care. First, close the privacy curtain. Check at the lateral bed, up on side rails. Next is, take the privacy towel, shaped like diamond, put on the top of your patient. And pull down the top shape. Next, down the side rails, and then untuck the draw sheet. Then insert the patient to dorsal recumbent position. Next is, ask the patient if he pee first. Excuse me, do you pee first? Okay. Please tilt your buttocks. Yan. Then, I will turn around for the privacy. Are you finished?
Yes.
Yes. Then, check the perineum of the patient if there are any irritation or infection, and check the urine if they have discoloration, urine discoloration. Then take the jab and wash. Then remove the implant. Next, continue to clean the perineum of the patient. Take the long forceps and warm water with pH care or feminine wash. Then soak the warm water from pubis, labia majora, urinary meatus, labia minora, vagina to anus, one stroke downward and dispose. Take again cotton balls, soak warm water from pubis, labia majora, urinary meatus, labia minora, vagina and to anus, one stroke downward. Okay, next, for the groin. Take the cotton balls, soak in water, then inverted 7. Next, the other side, take the cotton balls of the warm water, inverted 7. Then dispose. Mrs. Schmidt, Listerine your teeth. Then, I will lift you to the other side to clean your buttocks. For the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then, take the washcloth, soak in warm water, clean the buttocks from clean to dirtiest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, take the dry cloth to pat dry. Okay. Next is instruct the patient to supine position. Ms. Smith, I will go back to you to supine position for the count 1, 2, 3. Next, acknowledge the patient. How's your feeling, ma'am? Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Then, pull up the top sheet. Then, next, open the privacy curtain. Check the lap of the bed. Then, up the side rail, make it sure all side rail is up. Then, usually this is a municipal light. If you have any assistant or any concern, please push the button. I doctor care, I clean the all materials, I remove my gloves, wash my hands, sanitize, and I document to my care plan, assist the patient for the perennial care done.